Hello everyone, and welcome back to the new video. And today we will be talking about exactly how we have implemented the new AI technologies within certain industries and businesses. So, since November 2022, we have been introduced to a revolutionary program called ChatGPT. It has changed the whole world.
GPT-4 Turbo.
OpenAI.
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 Now, a lot of people are utilizing AIs and seeking new opportunities within AIs. We can see how exactly these programs are being formed, produced, and even sold to certain businesses to make them more efficient, more productive. We already see many different entrepreneurs who have introduced and built certain AI programs based on the ChatGPT in order to help and sell to different companies around the world, where we can see how they're already utilizing these certain programs in order to help them increase their reach, in order to help them increase the marketing and even sales. So to start off, let's talk about how is it used within the entertainment. Usually after work or a Friday night or during the weekend, you want to go and relax watching a nice, cool movie. However, it does take time for you to find the right movie, since you have to go over certain movies, see if this is something you might like. Sometimes you can even choose a movie that really doesn't match your taste and you just wasted your time. Services such as Amazon or Netflix utilizes machine learning in order to truly understand what is the things that you watch, and then gives you, as I suggested for you, specialized movies that you would generally watch. Using the data of what customer really watches and utilizing the data from the movies, they can create a perfect match towards what is the movie that you truly really like, which at the end it will help you to limit the time between choosing a movie and going to find the right movie. AI is also very useful when it comes to the producing market. AI can generally help also other individual people when it comes to their businesses, or even companies to grow higher and bigger. As the best example, when it comes to the individual people, we can see a bigger spike of AI use within the developers or content creators or even marketing people, or even we can see the entrepreneurs are using a lot of AI, and especially they're building businesses around AI. We can see that most developers right now are using AI to help them when it comes to writing their own programs. And here's how. It can generally help them to create certain new, more unique code programs, can help them to connect with different API systems, and even can scan through different lines of code to try and find out what are the mistakes. Most of content creators are utilizing AI when it comes to being more creative. It generates ideas for the next videos to upload and even to attract more and broader audience. You can even utilize certain AI models where it tracks down the data based on which video have been the best, and it can generate certain ideas when it comes for the next video that you want to upload to make it better. One of the biggest revolution when AI is being used, it was actually marketing, and here's why. So already in the past, we have utilized certain applications to streamline automatic posting when it comes to marketing. However, now AI is making this more unique. Utilizing generative AI, we can start creating certain text, posts, and even articles when it comes to posting for the specialized marketing goal. This actually saves a lot of time when it comes to researching or thinking how to write this in a creative way. Well, you can just give certain instructions to the AI and AI will write it the way you want, or even better. Now we can even use AI to actually create certain images for your post, which is extremely interesting when it comes to creating creative posts towards attracting a wider audience and variety of different audiences. Also, AI is very helpful when it comes to data analysis. It can analyze certain data and create personalized posts for a certain target audience, which generally can help to bring more of these people towards your company and your brand. When it comes to the video marketing, it can be very annoying for certain companies, and here's why. Because it costs a lot. It takes a lot of time. However, utilizing certain softwares such as United Plankton, we can generally use these softwares to help us when it comes to creating better video content for much lower costs. AI can be generally useful when it comes to the smart market research. And how is that possible? AI is analyzing a large database when it comes to finding out certain customer trends and helping the companies to perfect their market entry strategy or even improve their products. There are certain AI tools that is helping certain companies when it comes to the customer feedback. Most customers would tell them exactly what is happening, and based on these analysis, AI is able to give a profound data when it comes to in what ways to improve the product or the service for certain companies. Also, AI is being used when it comes to SEOs. It can generally help you create certain titles that will boost your brand to the top and get higher retention. We can also see how most of companies have implemented specialized AI chatbots towards their customer service. Those chatbots are made to help the customers when it comes to leading them to sales or even marketing, as well as solving certain customer problems. And the cool part is that all of them are available 24/7. You can generally create your own personalized chatbot by feeding certain information about your companies. And based on that, chatbot is able to scan through all that within the database and can help the customer when it comes to providing certain information about your company. Even though there are different amount of chatbots being implemented within certain companies, however, that doesn't fully replace humans, because at the end of the day, still humans wants to have certain contact with other person within the company. Also, there are certain flaws when it comes to certain chatbots. They are very limited when it comes to certain more complex tasks, and this is where those chatbots can actually help you to connect with the different human within the company and streamline this whole connection. So as discussed in the last video, I have mentioned when it comes to implication of AI within the finance industry. Most of financial companies utilizes AI to scan through certain databases and provide certain creative decisions to help certain companies to make better decisions and help them to grow. For example, a huge corporation called JP Morgan utilizes AI to analyze data from the market and as well helps them to provide certain trading strategies. So in this video, we went over some of the examples how exactly AI is able to help certain industries and in what ways. However, in the next video, I will be talking about what AI programs to use in 2024. So if you like that video, please give a thumbs up and also subscribe so you don't miss out on the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later.